Hey guys, welcome to Social Nerd. In today's video, I'll show you how to empty Google Drive trash bin on your Android and iOS devices. Usually when you delete files from Google Drive, they are sent to the trash or bin folder of the drive. Google Drive permanently deletes file in trash after 30 days. So, if you want to clean your trash folder to free up some space or for some other reason, watch this video till the end and you can remove all the files from your Google Drive trash in no time. First, launch the Google Drive Android application on your mobile device. Now go to the top left corner and tap onto the three horizontal lines. And here you can see various of options available. Go to trash or bin option and tap on it. In here, if you want to delete a selected file, then you can just go to the file option and tap on it. Then go and select delete forever from the pop-up option. Or if you want to delete multiple or all files from the trash, touch and hold any one of the file from the trash folder to select it. Once it is selected, tap onto the select all button at the top. This will select all the files from your trash folder. Now with all these files selected, go to the top right corner of your screen and tap onto the three horizontal dots. From the pop-up menu at the bottom of your screen, you can go and tap onto delete forever option. In order to confirm, go and tap on delete forever again. Now you have successfully emptied your Google Drive trash or bin. As mentioned earlier, removing files from Google Drive puts them in trash for 30 days. So if you accidentally delete the files, you can restore them anytime within 30 days as long as they are available in the trash. But after you emptied the trash or bin or remove selected files from the trash, they can no longer be restored. In case you deleted a file that was shared with somebody else, they will lose access to it. You should transfer the ownership of shared file before deleting them if you want others to access them. So that was all for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.